Greetings, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and I welcome you to this new monthly update for the second part of 2025. We are already in August. Time flew in 2025, and it was a roller coaster so far. So let's see what we can expect. From retrograde to rally, will we experience a summer crypto surge? So stay with me to uncover this mystery. What stars are telling us about the months ahead. I will share with you the report which is available for Patreon subscribers even 1 month ahead to be really prepared for the upcoming weeks and months. We do have also a mention of long-term aspects that go beyond, so basically I will make a summary of these as well. So yes, we do have a interesting message here from the stars, because it seems that we are ripe for a rally. After a retrograde July, which was pretty interesting, I would say, especially in the beginning of the month, but nevertheless, it was a journey. We do have now the stage set for some action, because retrogrades will always temper down the speed and the fuel of the price action, which will not be the case in August, at least not that much, although we do have many planets that are retrograde, but we have important ones which are direct, so we will dive into this and what this means. And Mercury prepares to go direct, and we have the growth-driving giants, Jupiter and Uranus, which are strong and they are direct. They are not retrograde yet. August is anything but a sleepy summer month. And this is really interesting, because in some years we know that we had a sort of breaks during the summer, and people were not so attentive at the markets anymore, but I think this August will be different. And we do have long-term aspects that are exact during this month, and we do have a structure really meeting innovation because of the influences between Uranus and Neptune and also Saturn. So we will see what happens in August and what can be triggered. I will keep it pretty concise this time, because I do think these are really the most important things in the month. Of course, there is much more each and every day. We know that crypto is volatile and has opportunities from 1 hour to the other. But these are the main astrological aspects shaping the markets in August. And we do have this adjustment period for retrogrades, because whenever a planet becomes retrograde, before and after, it will be stationary for a while. And this means that the speed will be decreased. And we have effects of the retrograde Saturn and Neptune and the asteroid Chiron, which was the last one to go retrograde in the last days of July. And Chiron is about previous price targets, so it's important for TA and for identifying patterns. Mercury will go direct on August 11th, which will mean that we gain some speed. And this means that we will have, in general, this is a general influence, with clear communication, smooth decision making in terms of general landscape in the market. So we might be also more clear about our trading strategy and what we want to chase for in August. Then Jupiter and Uranus, which are the main key drivers of growth in financial markets along Rahu, will stay direct throughout August. And this is very important, because they are responsible for a steady momentum that we will get. Of course, macro can get in the way, geopolitical pressure, tariffs and other topics, but basically this is a energy that would promise action during August. And it is really a month where we do have, this is the very good news, positive long-term aspects, which in general will affect all markets. So I refer to the stock market as well here, and Forex, and also cryptocurrency, which is the main topic here. And the first is basically towards the mid of August, and it is Saturn sextile Uranus. And this is a harmonious blend of structure, which is Saturn and innovation Uranus. We can have regulatory developments that support technological progress in crypto especially, and this is a very good news for us. Of course, it doesn't guarantee immediate price increase, but the outlook is very positive. Then at the end of August, so the second part of August would be more lively, more into action, so to speak, full of action. We have on August 28th, Jupiter trine Lilith. And this is a bullish aspect, increasing the risk appetite, and potentially it drives prices higher. This is what we saw also on the 2nd of July. Actually, if you remember, it was a Sun trine Lilith, and we got really nice increases for Bitcoin, and this happened again in a few hours during the day, but very interesting. So it's really a influence that would make people go hunt and really increase this risk appetite. And finally, on the 29th of August, we have a Uranus sextile Neptune. And this is a powerful catalyst for creativity and innovation, because Neptune is all about imagination. And this means that people can really have groundbreaking ideas, and conventional solutions can come to the surface. So, for example, in the crypto world, even with NFTs, because it's Neptune and it's about art, you might be really attentive here and watch out what new projects appear at the end of August, so around this date. It could be also early September, so the energy in this regard will be very powerful. And we can say that we have a pinnacle, a positive energy. I looked also at the short-term aspects in the last days of August, from the 26th to 31st of August, and then we know that we enter the eclipse season in September, so more to come soon. Stay tuned for more videos on this to find out what can be really the main influence in the market from these eclipses. I wish you an interesting August and success with trading and investing to catch all good opportunities. And I want to thank you as always for your time, for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. I am grateful for that. And until next time, be joyful. See you.